In this video, we will learn about diameter of a circle. We will see its definition and we will see two of its properties. That is, diameter divides the circle into two semicircles, and second one, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. First, we will see the definition of diameter. Diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. So it is a chord, that is, it is a line segment which joins 2 points on the circle and it passes through the center of the circle. So here is an example. All these are diameters of the circle. Now, since the diameter passes through the center, it divides the circle into two equal halves, and both these halves are called semicircles. So the diameter divides the circle into two semicircles. We can see that a circle is a complete revolution, and these semicircles are 180 degrees. These are equal to half revolution. Next, we will see the proof that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now let us draw a circle with center O and radius equal to small r. First, we will see the length of the chord of the circle. So let us draw a chord AB which does not pass through the center. So since AB does not pass through O, we can form a triangle AOB. Now we know that AO is equal to BO is equal to the radius of the circle, since all the points on circle are equidistant from the center, and that distance is equal to the radius of the circle. We have already seen one property of the triangles, that sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So now, using that property over here in triangle AOB, we can see that AO plus OB is greater than AB, because sum of the length of two sides is greater than the length of third side. Now we already know that AO is equal to OB is equal to small r, that is radius of the circle. So from this, what we get is AB is less than 2r, that is length of the chord AB which does not pass through the center of the circle is less than twice of the radius. So this is true for any chord that is not passing through the center of the circle. Now we will see the length of the chord that passes through the center of the circle. That is, we are going to see the length of diameter. Now AB is the diameter of the circle, since it passes through the center O. Now to calculate the length of AB, we can split it into two halves. AB is equal to AO plus OB. And we have already seen that AO is equal to OB is equal to radius of the circle. So now what we get is the length of AB is equal to twice the radius. AO and OB are the radius of the circle. We have already seen that. So the length of diameter, what we get is twice the radius. So all the diameter of circle have the same length. If we take any diameter, we will get the length of diameter as twice the radius of the circle. Now we have already seen that any chord which is not a diameter, that it does not passes through the center, its length is less than twice the radius, but the length of diameter is equal to twice the radius. So hence The diameter is the longest chord of the circle.